आपने करना है, तो आपने एक्चुअली इसको आगे लेके चलना है, और आप हमारे जो सारे पार्टनर्स हैं, especially Islamic banks. So thank you very much, sir. First of all, thank you with funding with purpose, purpose, and with your plans to put your fiscal back on track. It is very important. अच्छा, इसमें थोड़े से मैं दो तीन की इंडिकेटर्स आपसे शेयर करूँगा, एंड बिफोर दैट यू सी हम लोग जो है दो तीन बड़े एरियाज जो है फेस कर रहे हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ चैलेंजेस. Two key areas which I think we've been facing for quite a while. One is climate challenge, जो कि Pakistan is the most hit country in the world who has been hit by climate and environmental issues. And the second is population. So these two key challenges are upfront, and we have to face it, and then we have to do something about it before things get worse. So one is climate and second one is population. So in terms of climate, ये एक पहला initiative है हमारा, and you'll see a lot of innovative products coming in, which will be purpose driven, which will be responsible finance, which will be very market oriented also. इसमें तीन indicators हैं बड़े important. If you look at this story Pakistan has built so far, अगर last 15 months की अगर बात करें तो three key areas I think you should look into, which has actually improved resource gap and then need for debt financing. Number one is tax to GDP. If you look at tax to GDP, it has gone up from 9.5% to 10.6% to GDP. If you look at the last 2024 numbers, we stood at around 74% of debt to GDP. Now we are down to 65% on average if you look at the half year numbers. So this has actually, on one hand, tax to GDP has improved. On the other hand, tax to GDP has debt to GDP has gone down. So resultantly, आपके पास resource जो gap था वो improve हो गया, plus आपकी जो need थी financing की वो relatively कम हुई है from conventional finance. And the third key point, which I think is very important, equally important in fact, is revenue to debt servicing. Your revenue has gone up, and your debt servicing either stayed constant or has gone down. So as a result, आपके जो affordability है to finance your debt has improved. So these three key indicators are very important. अगर आप देखते हैं कि जी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान की कैपेसिटी कैसे improve हुई है in the last 15 months. So one is debt to GDP, second is tax to GDP, and the third one is revenue to. It's actually coverage ratio. You all understand. So I think जैसे मैंने शुरू में कहा, it has to be purpose driven. जो भी आप फाइनेंसिंग करते हैं, that has to be purpose driven. So value proposition is beyond numbers in this case. वो कैसे है देखें. वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन जैसे मैम ने कहा कि जी ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप शरिया कंप्लाइंट जो है लेकर आएँ जिसमें रिस्पॉन्सिबल जो है वो फाइनेंसिंग हो. सो आई सी इट even more valuable in the sense that one, it is Sharia compliant, the green sukuk we are bringing in. Second is basically, it's environmental friendly. And the third point, which is the most important one, is how you contribute into the climate financing or climate challenges, addressing the climate challenge that Pakistan is facing. So value proposition is, financing, Sharia compliant financing, purpose driven, and then of course getting a chance to contribute into climate addressing climate challenges. So I think ये तीन बड़े important areas हैं जो कि value proposition create करते हैं. Then the last point is of course putting Pakistan on the map of global green financing and green capital markets. So I think this is very important that through this issue we are putting Pakistan on the global map, जिससे पाकिस्तान की responsible जो debt management है वो सामने आएगी. And you'll see going forward a lot of debt product coming in, a lot of innovative debt product coming in, और शेयर कंप्लाइंट में हम ज़्यादा फोकस करेंगे. और अभी अब नेक्स्ट जो हम करने जा रहे हैं इंशाल्लाह you'll see in the next couple of quarters पांडा बॉन्ड हम लेकर आएंगे जो कि ग्लोबल जो है चाइनीज़ एक्चुअली मार्केट्स को हम जो है टैप कर रहे हैं, बट एक ग्लोबल लेवल पे हम एक बॉन्ड लेकर आएंगे जो कि ये particularly Chinese market के लिए होगा, but I think that will put Pakistan on the global footing also once again. So thank you very much once again to our partners, PSX, especially our MD, my friend and very responsible person of course, taking the PSX forward. और इनकी मौजूदगी में पाकिस्तान स्टॉक एक्सचेंज ने एक रिकॉर्ड बनाया है माशाल्लाह. Congratulations to you and your team, chairperson of course, and all our participants, our investors, our stakeholders, our advisors, especially Mizan Bank, Bank Islami, Dubai Islamic and Bank Alfla. Thank you everyone, and we look forward to your participation in the new products we are bringing in, or inshallah we'll collectively take our capital markets towards new progressive path. Thank you very much once again. Thank you.